a guide you to make another YouTube channel with the same email. For that, let's hop into the YouTube. From there, you need to tap on your profile, which is beside that bell icon. If you scroll, you could find the settings. From there, you can directly go to the settings, or otherwise, you can go to the YouTube studio. And from there, you can go ahead into the settings. Let's say I'm tapping on YouTube studio. And from there, if you could see, you can scroll down to find the settings here, and in that you need to tap on the channel. After that you need to tap on advanced settings, and you could scroll down all the way to find manage YouTube account, and from there it will take you to the page where you could access your YouTube channel and the features of YouTube channel. From there you need to tap on create a new channel, and from here you need to type whatever the name you want. Let's say I'm typing vibing crazy. So if you tap on here, and it will suggest you a handle. After that, you need to tap on create channel, and that will be created and displayed on your profile. This is how you could make another YouTube channel with the same email. Thank you.